The leading practices start with defining my marketing strategy, which includes defining my target campaign audiences and my metrics for success. Next, I'm going to create and execute my campaigns. At that point, the marketing automation is going to attribute leads and orders back to the individual campaigns. At the same time, we're going to be able to attribute cost and expense to the campaign as well, capture that spend, which then allows us to analyze our performance, including real-time campaign ROI, so we can make adjustments to really maximize the efficiency of our marketing spend. So I'm currently logged into a marketing role. This is one of those pre-configured roles that comes out of the box with NetSuite. My reminders are going to be notifying me of active campaigns and tasks that need my attention. My navigation tiles and portlet is going to allow me to access tasks that are important to my role, things like setting up templates and target groups for campaigns, managing my campaigns, accessing pre-configured reports for things like ROI, conversion rates, lead source analysis. My key performance indicators are going to give me real-time visibility into sales, my campaign activity, new leads, response rates, opportunity information, and opportunity win-loss rates, things like that. In my active campaign portlet down here, I'm going to be able to see key details about campaigns that are active, and I can filter this down by campaign category if I need to, if I have a lot of active campaigns going on. In my lead source portlet, I'm going to be able to analyze total sales per marketing campaign to really understand which of these campaigns have been most effective and where I can maximize my return on investment. And on the right-hand side, we're going to see some trend graphs. I'm going to be able to see my weekly new business and weekly new customers trends. So let's take a look at an active campaign. So I'm going to pull up this campaign record. And from our primary information, we're going to be able to see our campaign category. We're going to be able to see our start and end dates if we want to define those, base and total cost, and our expected revenue that we can track against as this is ongoing, so we can see how close we are to hitting our goals. In my events tab, I'm going to be able to see basically any of the emails that have either been sent out or are planned. This includes, for each of those emails, my target groups, and each of these target groups has an underlying saved search that dynamically groups your leads and prospects together, so we can send out emails based on, in this case, territory, but it could really be any attribute of those customers or leads that you'd want to send it out by. We're also going to see the email template for each of those target groups, and then any promotions that are tied to this marketing event. If I go to my statistics tab, I'm going to be able to see my campaign's revenue data, return on investment rate, our profit. I'm going to be able to see cost per lead, cost per purchaser, total number of purchasers, total number of leads generated. It's all going to be real time, right? And then I'm also going to be able to see if I do have an active account, I'm going to be able to see how many emails were sent, how many were opened, clicked through, responded to, bounced. I'll also be able to see if individuals have unsubscribed from emails. And stepping back from our individual campaigns then, I can navigate to my campaign ROI report. This is going to help me analyze each of our different campaign types that we have here. And then each of our individual marketing campaigns. Here we can see that trade show that we were just looking at. And then for each of those, I'm going to be able to see my cost, my revenue, what the profit is, what our ROI is, and the leads and the purchasers that were generated from that campaign. This report is really going to help me understand the most effective types of campaigns that I run, the effective strategies, target groups, and ultimately going to help me increase that ROI number there and my overall profitability. In addition to that marketing ROI report, there are several other reports that come out of the box for analyzing things like lead sources, keyword metrics, response rates, click-throughs, conversion rates, campaign activity. We also have out-of-the-box reminders to help improve my efficiency, and those KPIs that we saw on my dashboard that are going to give me real-time visibility into what's important to me as a marketing manager. And all of this is designed to help you efficiently manage and execute marketing strategies that are going to increase revenue both on your new business side and within your existing customer base.